Manychat is a powerful platform designed to help businesses create chatbots primarily for Facebook Messenger. But it also extends to other channels like SMS and email. This tool allows users to automate conversations, manage customer interactions, and enhance marketing efforts without needing extensive technical skills. Manychat's user-friendly interface enables you to set up a chatbot in just a few minutes, making it accessible for beginners and experienced marketers alike. To create an account on Manychat, you simply visit their website and click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to sign in using your Facebook account as Manychat integrates seamlessly with Facebook Messenger. So in this part, I'm just simply logging in my personal Facebook account, which my page is connected to. After logging in, you can select the Facebook page you want to connect with Manychat. And here I'm going to select my page, which is HDR Clothing. Once connected, you can choose between a free plan or a 14-day trial of the Pro version, which offers additional features. Completing the onboarding process involves answering a few questions about your business type and goals, helping Manychat tailor its functionalities to your needs. The primary purpose of Manychat is to facilitate communication between businesses and their customers through automation. This includes marketing campaigns, customer support, and lead generation. By utilizing chatbots, businesses can engage users in real time, provide instant responses to inquiries, and nurture leads effectively. The Home section serves as your dashboard, providing an overview of your bot's performance and key metrics such as subscriber counts and engagement rates. Here, you can quickly access how well your bot is performing and make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. So as you can see, we have more contact with females, so that's what we're going to focus with. In the Contacts section, you manage your audience by viewing all subscribers and segmenting them based on their interactions. From here, we can create another contact if we have to. So this is like the lead gen. For instance, you might tag users who have shown interest in specific products or services, allowing for targeted messaging that enhances engagement. You can go ahead and tap Start Chat. The automation section is where the magic happens. Here, you can create automated responses and workflows that guide conversations based on user inputs. So you can see that we can start from scratch or pick here a template. We have different options, how to start the automation. For example, if a user sends a message containing the word help, you can set up an automation that replies with relevant information or directs them to a live agent if necessary. So here's how you simply do it. Just go ahead and tap what is expected to be replied from the trigger message. You can also add here content blocks such as images, text, delays, data collection, or add another step to continue the automation so that the person will think that he or she is talking to a person or so. You can also set it live once you're satisfied. Moving on to live chat, this feature allows you to take over conversations when your chatbot cannot provide adequate responses. If a user asks a complex question that requires human intervention, you can seamlessly step in to assist them directly. So given this example, I'm gonna mark it interested in new collection because that's what she asked for. And then I'm gonna know when is the release before I respond to her. So in order for me not to forget that she's interested in that new collection, I'm gonna make a note here. There. So afterwards, you can just set it there and we'll get back to that person. The broadcasting feature enables you to message to all or specific segments of your subscribers at once. This is particularly useful for announcing promotions or sharing important updates. For example, if you are launching a new product, you can create a broadcast message that reaches all users tagged as interested in new products. In the settings section, you can customize your Manychat account preferences. This includes managing notification, integrations with other tools like CRMs or email marketing platforms, and adjusting bot settings to fit your business needs. Finally, the My Profile section allows you to manage your account details and subscription plans. Here, you can upgrade from the free version to Pro if you find that you need more advanced features as your business grows. So as you can see, Manychat offers a 14-day free trial for its Pro plan, allowing users to explore advanced features without any initial costs. During this trial, users can access unlimited contact engagement, advanced growth tools, and detailed analytics to enhance customer interactions on platforms like Facebook Messenger and Instagram. So just to start the free trial or the trial, you need to sign up on Manychat website like this, like what I did on the beginning, and just provide payment information. As a beginner using Manychat, consider starting with simple automations like sending welcome messages when someone subscribes or setting up responses for frequently asked questions. For instance, if someone messages your bot with "What are your hours?", you can automate a reply that provides your business hours instantly. In summary, Manychat is an invaluable tool for businesses looking to enhance their customer engagement through automation. By understanding how to navigate its various sections and utilizing its features effectively, you can create meaningful interactions with your audience while streamlining communication processes. And that's it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like the video. It will support the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.